My name is Umam Lababidi. I am from Damascus, originally, Syria, and I've lived in Nigeria since 1974. I've been in Nigeria. I grew up in Lagos. I went to school in Lagos, primary school, secondary school. I did it in King's College, Lagos. When I graduated, I went to the States, further my education, and then I came back to work in Nigeria, in Lagos as well. And I moved to Abuja 2002, if I'm not mistaken. What I do is I am a building and civil engineering contractor. I have a construction company. That's what I do. And I motorcycle riding and traveling actually. Motorcycle is my passion, my hobby. And sometimes I ride to raise awareness for some causes. I participate in charitable events. I help NGOs to get to further their awareness, to get the message out, whether it is from sickle cell anemia, whether it is cancer, prostate and female tissue cancer, and not lately, well, for the past 6 years, the cause that I've been championing is us, the bikers. And there's a foundation that started in South Africa. It's called the BLM, Bikers Lives Matter. And I was made the country director for Nigeria about 5 years ago. I didn't want to take it honestly, but I had to, because the guy said there was somebody else that wanted to do it, or they didn't trust anybody else to do it. It took quite a convincing for me to accept it. So this cause is special to me, because aside my work and my pastime is motorcycle. That's what I do. I used to play polo before, in Lagos, but for the past, I missed 13 years, 14 years, it's biking, motorcycle riding, traveling. That's it. So that's basically me in a nutshell, less than 3 minutes.
Okay.
Because I grew up in Nigeria, I have an advantage to other than other foreigners, other expatriates. The advantage I have is knowing the populace, knowing the country, knowing the people, knowing about them, knowing what makes them tick, basically. So I have that experience, practical experience, not just second-hand or third-hand knowledge. I have first-hand knowledge of them. So no, to answer your questions, I don't really feel scared at all. Let me not exaggerate. I do feel concerned, but not anymore. My concern about traveling and going to places I don't know, especially meeting people, being around environments that are normally hostile for people, I don't have that. But initially I used to get scared. Like, for example, I was going to Akwa Ibom in 2012, and I got lost along the way. I got lost, and I entered Ogoja instead of continuing on my way to Ikom and all that. So I stopped at the filling station, and I immediately called the backup van that was with us. And I wasn't alone. I was with like 15, 16 other bikers. So, but I missed my way somehow. Anyway, I got concerned a bit. I called the backup vehicle that followed us on such journeys, and they came and they saw me, So for a brief 10-15 minutes, I was like, am I okay? Am I safe? But that was like I said, like 13 or 14 years ago. But since then, no, I don't have any concern, I don't have any fear by the grace of God. Like I said, I know the people, I know the terrain. Over the years, I've been going to the same places, a lot of times, the same place, the same city, the same town, multiple times. So I know different routes to that place. For example, Akwanga is one, and then of course you have Makurdi. I traveled to Makodi a lot since 2012. I've been traveling. You know, I use Benue State to come to Abuja. Sometimes I go to Makodi. I've been to Boko. I've been to Opuo. I've stayed there, and so on and so forth. So any hesitation, any fear I have,